Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, we are looking for day 10. Day 10 today. Remember, not day 20. It's been a lot of fun looking through these. Oh, here we go. It's a small little pack this time. Just a little envelope. I really love this one. These little baggies they've got. These are so fun. Oh, a new pair of scissors. Now, cheap scissors are just fine because they start off sharp. So whether these are cheap or brand new or really nice brand, but they are Missouiri Star. Oh my gosh, look at this. Do you see what this is? Do you see the duck on the scissor blade? That's adorable. So he's on both sides. Right there. And then you've got a little tassel with a star charm. I keep a pair of this small scissor right next to my sewing machine. I love this. These type of scissors come in so handy, or you can toss them in a bag and keep them for your hand sewing days. Travel kits, whatever you've got, but that's fun. And it's got the duck, which what could you not love about the little duck?